Pancakeswap holder. Can Pancake is good, my friend, for investment and a June? Absolutely very big question to this is good coin, my friend, and June can they will give you a profit or not? Very big question. So absolutely I will answer you. I will give you advice, my friend, in this video. But please, when I see, my friend, I do technical analysis. I predicate this coin, and absolutely I see the update. Then absolutely after then, my friend, you can see here I will give you advice to this coin is good for investment in this month or not. So try to understand, don't skip any second of this video. Please research personally. Absolutely this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother, research personally before you take any decision. So my brothers, you can see your Pancakeswap is one of the fastest coin, but if you can see, my brother, the last 3 months chart. First of all, I'm going to the last 3 months chart. Absolutely from last month, my friends, they completely falls down. So therefore I'm so sad to they falls down, because I am also holder. You can see, my brother, they continuously starting moving upward. And remember to, in a crypto market, every cryptocurrency after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they falls down. So absolutely, if you can see, my brother, this is the 3 month chart is on the screen, and you can see here the March and April, you can see here, and April chart is here, my brother. So these 2 months they completely go in the moon, they completely jump occur. But after this, you can see here from last month they starting moving very badly, falls down, and completely they come to very bad fall. You can see here completely the price is very badly falls down. So you know what's the reason? The reason is simple, my friends, to after a jump they falls down. Yes, it's absolutely, my friend. If you can see, my brother, just in only here, my brother, you can see here this time every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation. After a jump they falls down, after a jump they falls down. Exactly, my brother, after a jump they falls down. So it's mean, my brother, so when they take a short jump, absolutely they take a jump, they take a short falls, but definitely they are go in this circulation to after a jump they falls down. So try to understand, my brothers. You can see at this time after a high jump they also falls down very highly. You can see here, so 1 month they falls down. But if we check out, my friend, the last 1 month chart, exactly they falls down. But absolutely, my friend, I hope to after this spell they will take a very huge jump. Yes, I am 100% sure to they will take a very huge jump. All right, so this time you can see, my brother, the chain occur is gonna be minus 551.63% they falls down. So if you can see, my brother, this time they're starting moving upward. Exactly, my brother, you can see here especially and you can see here this time the chart is on the screen. This chart is, you can see here June 1 and June 2, you can see here, and especially after this, you can see here after just a minute, after this point, you can see they're starting moving upward very fastly. So it's 100%, my friends, possible today will go in the moon, and it's a very good news for all of you, because, my friends, they are completely going the moon in those days. So kindly you need to invest and more if you have any plan. And remember, this is not a financial video, my brother. So I think this is very good, my friend. Pancakeswap cake coin is very good, my friends, for all of you to invest. Exactly, if you invest, they will give you very good profit at the end of month. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and remember to subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.